What's good, KG fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys are hitting the like button. It is hot as shit right now. It's only 82 degrees, but it is hot as fuck. Right now I'm meeting up with Mario, Two-Face. Right now we are about to go to a automotive car meet in downtown. It's like a really big like warehouse. They got like music, food, raffles, I think, and like awards and all this stuff. Hopefully we win an award today or something for, you know, I don't know. But we're about to meet up with Two-Face right now and Mario at the gas station, and then we're about to head out because we're kind of late. We're actually supposed to be there around 12. Thank you. We're supposed to be there around 12, and because we gotta like set up and stuff like that, so we're running a little late, and it's in LA, and I don't know if there's traffic on a Sunday or not, but yeah, so I'll pick up the camera once we get there, or once I meet up with Two-Face and all them. So make sure you guys like the video, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys tell everybody that you know to subscribe to KG, become part of the KG family today. So let's get the show on the road, guys. All right, so we're about to put some gas, filling up. Two-Face arriving late. Who's Two-Face with?
Peter.
Oh, he brought some. Dang. Okay, I'm the only one without a passenger.
Brought his new girlfriend.
Let me go put some gas. Damn, black and gold. Look at this guy. Where's the chain at?
Right there.
Damn, you gotta put it on when we're at the show. What's up?
Yeah.
What's good, Peter? Dang. What's up, bro? Alright, let me go put some gas real quick. Hey, let me show you guys the new kicks. We got camel with some orange on these. I think they're pretty fire. Alright, so if you guys are going to this car show event, make sure y'all come say what's up to Masterminds. I'll roll in with them. With Mario, and of course me. What the? McDonald's? Where's mine?
Sausage?
Wow. Damn, that's cold. Oh, you got a new decal.
Oh yeah, the one on the windshield too.
Apple computer.
Let's see if you noticed something else on the bumper.
I did. Oh, the little Apple the sticker. BMW M Town. Behind me is with me as well. Alright guys, so we just pulled up. Ooh, it's all the way back here. Hopefully the cars don't get dirty right here. But yeah guys, if you guys are here at the show, make sure y'all come pull up and say what's up. A lot of the homies are gonna be here. A lot of the homies will be here. So should be a pretty cool event. As you can see, pulling up.
Are you guys together?
Yes.
Under what name?
It's under Kevin.
Kevin what?
You could choose to put it in the...
Cool. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, Los Angeles. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Follow him.
Ooh. Damn. I can't wait to show you guys all the cars that are here. It's gonna be so sick. There's a sick little spot too. Damn. Alright, so we here. A bunch of cars set up. There's more cars on that side. I think they're gonna lift the little curtains up or something. We're parked here, the whole squad. It's pretty cool. Come by. All right, let's check out some of the builds. Let's walk around because it's kind of hot in here. But every car here is bagged except for mine and Two-Face. Yeah, it's like a Laguna Seca Blue, no?
Yeah.
Oh, look, it is Laguna Seca Blue. It is. All right, so there's one parking garage in there, two parking garage, and then three, and there's one over there in the back. But I don't think I'm gonna show you guys yet until it starts. We're still waiting for a lot of cars to pull up. I think a lot of people registered for this event, which is gonna be pretty lit. So like I said, I need y'all to smack the like button right now. Give this video a thumbs up. I want this video to get at least 50 likes. 50 likes, can we get to 50 likes? What the, man. This is the first slot. Still a lot of cars that are missing. Fantastic. Orange. Damn, this would be a sick little spot for photo shoots. Got the Mini Cooper gang. What the? We got a bagged Benz. Whoa, look at the engine bay on this. Everybody's on bags, bro. We're not on bags.
Oh, for real, bro.
We are not on bags. Damn, this car won an award? I won an award? What the hell? Man, okay, this is fully like... Damn, he won a couple of awards. God damn. Okay, this guy went all out, bro. Nick pulled up. Where have you been? Homie ESG, twinning with Nick. What's up, bro? Yeah, go in there, go in there, go in there.
Yeah?
Dang. Okay, we're now, I think this is like the official spot up here. Wow. That's sick. GTRs, so many cars. I don't think I'm gonna do any montage for you guys. I'm just gonna regular vlog this. Damn. Look at the headlights, bro. Man, this is okay. This is the third lot. Holy shit! Damn. Clean little E30s. We got a variety of cars, a lot. A lot of sick builds, unique builds. God, oh damn, look at these wheels. Dang. I think these are pretty cool. So like fully built one would be pretty sick. With like a roll cage and all that shit. This one we got roses on there. Damn. That's sick. This is a nice build. I like the wrap on it too. The livery, sick. Let's see the rear. Dang, that's dope. Would you guys ever build a car something like this? A Nissan Infiniti, Subaru Evo, and like fully build it? Would you guys do like a wide body or anything? Got a 335IS with some blue wheels. This is a nice color. What? What the? Bro, that's insane. That's sick. Would you drive it? Yeah. Dude, that's a crazy little build. Damn, those lights are insane. Damn. Can you fit it all in your mouth? Open wide, fool. Alright, we're about to get some hot dogs real quick. Damn, look at that GTR. It's like Nick's color before. Man, that one is clean, bro. Damn, this shit is wet. That looks so good. Damn. Damn, bro, that's crazy. What the? Wow, that's unique. I like this. It's low key, but it's unique. It stands out. And they taking a picture with fans. More fan love, fan love. More fan love, more fan love. Refreshing drinks. Thanks, bro, appreciate it. Why don't you get one? Bro, you're missing out. Cheers. Cheers. Fake. This guy, you're so fake, bro. Damn.
Dale, more.
Dale.
More. Ahí, yeah. Bro, oh my god.
This is tamarindo water.
Damn. So refreshed?
Masterman, bro. Master beer.
You guys are insane. What the bro? That's insane. All right, I think they're gonna do like a little competition of two-stepping the cars. I think. Dude, it's crowded. That's insane, bro.
Go ahead, turn up. That's insane. Oh my god. That was crazy, bro. What the hell? Yo, what do you guys think about that? Alright, so we got number one contestants getting free tacos.
Look at this face. Do it again! Come on! Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys like, turn on post notifications, become part of the KG fam. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Peace.